Cash App makes switching phones seamless with your login credentials. Download the app first, iOS App Store or Google Play. No data loss. Your balance, history, and Bitcoin sync automatically. Steps: install and open app. Launch. Cash App. Tap Sign In. Bottom of screen. Enter credentials. Use your phone number or email linked to the account. Enter your cash tag if prompted. Input your PIN, 4-digit code, or password. Verify identity. Cash App sends a 6-digit code via SMS or email. Enter it. If 2FA is enabled, approve via Authenticator app or backup code. For security, you may need to confirm your full name or last 4 digits of SSN. Relink features, optional but recommended. Debit card, tap profile, cash card, order new one, free, ships in 10 days, or add virtual card. Bank account, profile, banking, link bank, routing, plus account number for transfers. Direct deposit, add routing, 0841 06768, plus account for payroll.